friend Shivansh, and today I'm gonna teach you how to solve the 2 by 2. This cube has only corners, no edges or centers. This cube is very easy after you know how to solve the 3 by 3, but for basic, I will teach you first the 2 by 2. It has some centers like this with screws, and it is super easy to solve, but as you think, it is not that easy. So let's start with the method. Okay, so the notions we are using to solve it is the right in the right hand and left in the left hand. Then up, down, front and back. Okay, so let's scramble it and learn. Okay, so first we're gonna start with the lower layer, then to the upper. So first we're gonna make a white. First find a white piece that has anything but white. Here. So I'm gonna tell you these two algorithms that we're gonna use in this cube. The right hand, right, up, right, no, up, there. Right is up, the upper is to left, the right one is to down again, and the upper one is to back on position. And the left is completely the opposite, like this. If you want to know more about right hand and left hand algorithms, please watch my another video on the list. Okay, so let's start. So first we're gonna find a corner here. So first we're gonna make right hand algorithms until the white is on the lower side. Here we got two. This one with the find another again green and yellow. So it will come in this position. So place it on the upper and do the right hand. Again solved. Now the last one. Again right hand algorithm. Congratulations! The first layer is solved. The second layer. Okay, so we need these four must have a yellow. So we need to check if these are on the right positions or not. So we have other two colors instead of yellow. So we match those two colors with these two. Orange and blue, red and green. This is not on the perfect place. Blue, red, green and orange. No. Green, orange, orange, blue. No. And green, red, blue, red. Again turn. Green, red. This one's right. So we mark it. Orange, blue, green, orange. Blue, red, orange, blue. Again, not correct. Green and orange. Not correct. We need at least two. So only one. Then no. Again, these two are correct. So we can, and these two are not. So we can do is put them in our left hand side and do the right hand algorithm 3 times. Then rotate the whole cube to the right side and do the left hand algorithm 3 times. Now you see that again if you need, then now you see that all will match, right? Green orange, blue orange, red blue, and red green. But if you got only two in diagonal order correct and two in wrong, you have to just do the whole thing two times. So mine is correct. So the last step, turn the cube upside down and then look on this side, only this side. This is not on its place as it facing our side, not the downside. So we're gonna do is right hand algorithm until it goes here. But the white is all messed up. Don't worry, it will solve. Only turn this, not whole cube. Yes, it's matching. No, it's not. So again, and this last one. And the last move. Congratulations, you now solved it 2x2. If you want more videos of cubes, please subscribe my channel. See you later. Bye bye.